You can reset it again and turn this one on again. There you go, so 30 minutes.
This is a 12-inch built-in electric cooktop. This is a smooth vitro-ceramic glass surface, so it's pretty durable, very easy to clean.
This is a rental kitchenette, so all we did was we cut a hole
about 2.1 inches into the counter.
We didn't really hardwire it. All we did is we took the cord, we sliced it, and then we fished it underneath the tiles, and then it's still connected to the regular outlet.
It's got two radiant cooking elements. The 7.9 inch is 1800 watts and the 6.7 inch is 1200 watts. With the correct wattage, these will heat up your pots just as quickly as any other cooktop. There are digital sensor touch controls that are built into the cooktop itself, so it's very easy to clean and control the heating accurately. You've got 9 heat settings for each of the burners. You've got a lock button so people don't accidentally change the settings, and you've got a timer from 1 to 99 minutes.
Turn this on with this button. Now we press that one, and now it's flashing, so now we're going to go heat this up. It goes all the way to 9. And now let's watch it. Okay, I can feel the warmth, so you guys can see the red. Still not. Still not. Okay, and now if we turn this one on, go 9. On warm. Okay, this one's on warm. There you go. Now it's hot. So much so that I can't even touch it. If you want to turn that off, you press this button and then it's going to flash. Now H means that it's hot to the touch. You can reset it again and turn this one on again. There you go, so 30 minutes or 0 minutes. You can set the timer, and then this is your lock button, which means I won't be able to change it. I mean, I never really use the lock button, but you know, it is what it is.
Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to install one of these in my backyard kitchen, so you can't put this outdoors as long as you have some sort of a cover on it. Very easy hookup. It only took 5 minutes. Cut a hole in, feed the wire through, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.